Day for us also. In August 15, 1914, it's the aim of the application here. The connecting between two seas, Panama Canal, they formed to avoid too much of distances to around the South America, right? Initially, they did the two way of um, shipping movements, and through the lake, the ship is moving. But when it moves seawater from Atlantic Ocean to Pacific Ocean and Pacific Ocean to Atlantic Ocean, in that meantime, seawater mixing with lake. From the lake, many farmers they are using the water, and environmental situation also it will be affect. So we want to remove that salinity diffusion from the lake. So what is the idea they have to find out? For that, the model is developed. Okay, in very recent one of the research article I have seen this one. From that only I collected the information. The evaluation of supply chain management has not been linear over time. So various concepts and theories have been formulated to optimize the supply chain to higher and higher degrees. The reason for optimizing supply chain system are multidimensional and include most minimization, increased levels of service, and improved communication among partner companies, and increased flexibility in terms of delivery and response. So because of this canal, now time consuming and cost wise and transportation time also saving for the world people. Same like suppose I am praying for that one. In our country also, um, earlier they started Sedu project in Rameswaram, I mean near that Rameswaram area, between Sri Lanka and India. If they make one canal, already we have a sea, but if they make it due to political environment, our project was stopped. Actually, if they implement, we will also get many benefit. Even for Chennai to Mumbai, if you want to shipping one product means we have to travel unnecessarily pay the tax to the Sri Lankan government. To avoid Sri Lankan government, if we make one canal in our area itself, so it is a huge benefit for the people and India economics. It will be grow well. But due to unavoidable situation, that project was stopped till now. Okay. In addition to the above, I will come to the main point. A supply chain simulation model can contribute the understanding of the other important features which are part of the complexity of a supply chain system. In order to understand a supply chain and its complexity, they capture and model its structure. Simulation modeling is a very effective tool for improving our understanding of the complexities behind supply chains. Therefore, they created the simulation model of the Panama Canal supply chain operation that includes the increased operation due to expansion of the canal and addition of third set of locks. Already I told the two set of locks we have. They wanted to make it a third set of locks. So the Panama Canal expansion through a third set of locks present new challenges to the Panamanians. What are the one of the most and one of the challenge in the potential increase in salinity of the canal lacks. So it is above permissible level that threaten the quality of these freshwater lakes and impact various plant and animal species, which could be negatively significant. While studies have been conducted to verify the freshwater quality of the Panama Canal and its watershed, these investigations were made several years ago before the expansion of the canal and the impact of increased ship traffic. So this fact raises the question of whether the expansion of the canal or and the addition of a third set of lock is one of the conditions leading to the change in salinity of the canal lakes. To address this question, they proposed to model the changes in ship traffic and design and implement a system that allows us to estimate accurately and reliably and efficiently. More and more accurate we will get it, and to remove the salinity in the freshwater bodies along the Panama Canal, so that we can alternately design and implement plan to reduce them or mitigate adverse effect of the increased traffic. The supply chain system we model must be able to see the largest possible number of variables which significantly affect the problems. So therefore, they added the component-based differential equation to supply chain model to study the future salinity of the lakes. Before I conclude, I just want to show it what are the uh, references I used for this presentation. I used the books. I think the first reference book is your textbook of the master graduate student of Holy Cross College, and the second one also one of the best book in engineering mathematics, K.S. Strout and Dexter, and B.S. Grewal for higher engineering mathematics. And one link I am providing here. In this link, we will get many differential equation soft copies of the material to develop our skills as a student or faculty. We can use and we have to download it freely. It's available in internet. And before concluding my presentation, I want to thank and I thank for everyone's patience. Thank you for the management of Holy Cross College and management of my current institution to allow me to deliver a lecture, webinar, and participate in this international webinar. And before that, I just want to 1 or 2 minutes the videos how the Panama Canal the locking system is uh, working. Just I want to show it. After that, I will close it this one. One minute through the YouTube. I will show it that one. Both in English and Tamil version available. You can utilize any one version of how the operation of Panama Canal is operating. From one sea to another sea, how they are connecting. The transition. This will be the near to Gatun Lake. From Atlantic Ocean to already cities, it came to the Gatun Lake, near to Gatun Lake in the mountain area. So one by one, the lock is opening. We have to see now the opposite of in this 117. There can the door number, I mean lock number. There is another sea. Water is upward, but this water will go after opening this lock. Uh, this water will go up. Automatically, ship will go upwards, and it is traveling smoothly. Now the lock is going to be open. Both sides it will be open, and there is a bridge also. So entering into the sea, I mean entering into the lake. from the lake to mountain to down, it is coming and entering into the sea. So when relaxed, you have to see it later. For the time consuming, I am closing this one. Thank you for attending the seminar and thank you for everything.
Thank you, sir, for your thought-provoking and inspiring session. Your talk helps us to reflect the real quality and mind of research in an objective manner. Your insistence on advances in the applications of differential equations regarding Kirchhoff laws, modeling is the process of differential equation. Describe a physical example of modulation, differential, different types of ad hoc network, namely managed network and different why ad hoc needed with vision panel operated solution highly hazard. Thank you so much, sir. Now we have a questioning session from the participants. Shall I read the questions, sir?
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Sir?
Please, ma'am. Please go ahead.
Sir, from Divyani Gupta, is the differential equation can work in our daily life?
Yes. In day-to-day life,
I read it out again, sir. Is the differential equation can work in our daily life?
Yeah, it will be working in daily life. That's why the day-to-day life, one practical example I had shown to you.
Thank you, sir. How we clarify the differential equation in our daily life? As per your lecture, we all come to know the importance of differential equation in various fields, but in our daily routine, how we think about it. Shall I read it again, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Please proceed.
How we clarify the differential equation in our daily life? As per your lecture, we all come to know the importance of differential equation in various fields, but in our daily routine, how we think about it.
In daily routine, how can I say that one? In routine life, I don't know that. I provide the one example, no, that routine life regarding the oven heating, the temperature, room temperature, the day-to-day life, we are using that one.
Shall I read the next question, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
From Annie Lydia, how can I find application in labeling of graphs? Which paper I can study for that?
Labeling of graphs.
Yes, sir.
Labeling of.
How can I find application in labeling of graphs? Which paper I can study for that?
Yes, yes. Labeling of graph not related with our presentation, even though I will tell you.
Yes.
First, we have to look the survey about the labelings. There are many different types of labeling in graph theory. Labeling also one of the important part in graph theory. Graph theory is ocean. In that part, labeling also another part of big ocean. So cordial labeling, graceful labeling, like this. So we have to take a survey and find out the Gallian, Joseph Gallian one we provide one nice survey paper, but I am not much more about the labelings. So we have to find out the surveys. After that, the existing results, what we have available, then how we have to connect with the labeling with the other combinatorial, other fields of mathematics, how we have to connect, like fuzzy or a survey. Even for different equation, we can try labeling concept possible to apply or not, and how labeling is applied to domination concept. We have to find out like that. we have to find out the surveys.
Yes, sir.
After that,
Shanta Lakshmi, please explain differential equation in non-Markovian queuing model.
combinatorial typing. Other, no, madam.
Explain differential equation in non-Markovian queuing model.
Like there are a lot of queuing model applying here. Even I quoted even for the different model we can try applied in different equations. But non-Markovian model, and how not aware about not the domination concept. We have to find out like that. I'm sorry. Find out the surveys.
Yes, sir.
After that,
Shanta Lakshmi, please explain differential equation in non-Markovian queuing model. Next question, reading. Explain differential equation in non-Markovian queuing model. Searches.
There are a lot of queuing model applying here. Even
The differential equation work in headlight searches.
applied in different equations. But non-Markovian model, and how not aware about not the can the differential equation work in headlight searches? I'm sorry.
Yes, yes. Yes, sir.
Headlight.
Shanta Lakshmi, please explain differential equation in non-Markovian queuing model. Next question, reading. Explain differential equation in non-Markovian queuing model. Searches. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Next question, the differential equation. Explain differential equation in queuing model.
Non-Markovian model, and how not aware about. I know well.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure, sir. Sure.
Because I don't know how many questions you are keeping, but I need to go now.
Okay.
Okay, madam. Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir. Okay. Yes. Vote of thanks to the Lord. Give thanks to the Lord, for he is good. His love endures forever. Psalm chapter 106, verse 1. Thankfulness is the beginning of gratitude. Gratitude is the completion of thankfulness. My deep sense of gratitude to our resource person, Dr. M.P. Kulandaivel, for being kind enough. Your words of knowledge really engrossed us, your comprehensive presentation. Thank you, sir, for this informative session. Once again, I thank one and all gathered here. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Let's take a break and let us join the next session by sharp 1 p.m. Thank you all.